Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment benefits in Connecticut. First, let's understand the basic eligibility requirements. To qualify, you must be unemployed or working reduced hours through no fault of your own. You also need to be physically able and available to accept suitable work and actively seeking new employment each week. Meeting these initial conditions is crucial before you begin the application process. Before you start your application, gathering all necessary information will make the process much smoother. You'll need your social security number and a valid form of identification. It's also essential to have your complete employment history for the past 18 months, including employer names, addresses, phone numbers, and the exact dates you worked. Don't forget to provide the specific reasons for separation from each employer. This detail is very important. Once you have all your information, the next step is submitting your application. The easiest way is to apply online through the official Connecticut Department of Labor website. Make sure to complete all sections accurately and truthfully to avoid any delays in processing. Remember, you will need to certify your eligibility weekly to continue receiving your benefits. Also, be prepared for a waiting period of 1 week before your benefits can actually begin. After submitting your application, it's important to stay engaged. Monitor your application status online and respond promptly to any requests for additional information. You must actively search for work and keep a detailed record of your efforts, as this may be required. Be sure to attend any scheduled appointments or interviews with the Department of Labor. Generally, unemployment benefits in Connecticut are available for up to 26 weeks, providing crucial support during your job search.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.